Ooh, it's time to get out the Halloween decorations. Look at this kitty cat. Look at it. Look at it. Oh yeah. I got this kitty cat on clearance last year at the Target. Yeah. I got a really good price for it because, you know, they had everything marked down half off. But I got an extra, like, I can't remember if it's 10 or 20% now, extra marked off it because it was the display model. And so, isn't that beautiful? I think a beauty is a joy forever. Or until it tears up and I have to try to fix it. But we won't worry about it tearing up today because it's beautiful. Look at it, that little kitty cat. It's a black cat sticking his head out of a jack-o'-lantern, and he's got the cap on his head as a cap, right? Because, you know, you cut the top off, and in the old days you used to put like a candle down in there, but I think now they use like tea light candles with batteries. It's like kid friendly, and yeah, good old days. So we're going to read Puppy Dog Pal's Haunted Howl-oween. Alright, are you ready? I'm ready. Is the cat ready? Are you ready, cat? He's ready to. Alright, let's get into this. This is a Disney Junior Puppy Dog Pals Disney Junior show. And it includes glow-in-the-dark stickers. Ooh, I love stickers. Alright. Look at that. Should vacuum first. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Here's our stickers. Let's take a look at them. That's a funny one. A little scared there. Here's the cat. Bats. There's a ghost. Another ghost. Howl-oween, mission accomplished. Alright. And there's a sticker of Puppy Dog Pals. It's adapted by Michael Olson, based on an episode written by Jessica Carleton for the series created by Harland Williams, illustrated by the Disney Storybook Art Team. Art Team. I don't like how they don't give actual names. I'm sure the art team changes up, so it's kind of not fair to the artist. Alright, see what's going on here. Oops, sorry about that. Probably not even noticed. I edited it together. Okay, so we got the doggies there. Bingo and Rolly. And over here Bob. So we'll see what they're doing. It's a windy Halloween morning and Bob is decorating the house. Okay. Rolly is already in his costume, but he can't find his brother. Bingo, where are you? He calls out. Happy Halloween! Bingo shouts from jumping from behind a pile of pumpkins. You spooked me, Rolly giggles. I'm a pumpkin. Get it? A puppy and a pumpkin? Rolly says proudly. So this one's Rolly and this is Bingo. Okay. And look at all these nice pumpkins they painted up. I feel like Bob's having trouble with that fake spider web. Okay. Rufus and Cupcake walk by. We have to stay away from the far end of the park tonight, Cupcake says loudly. Why? Bingo asks. Every Halloween, a spooky wooky ghost called the Haunted Howler haunts the far end of the park. He sounds like this. After Rufus and Cupcake leave, Rolly turns to Bingo. I want to meet a Howly ghost. Don't worry, Bingo said. There's no such thing as ghost. And then they hear their neighbor, Cleo. Aw, we'll never find it. Halloween is ruined, she said sadly. Bob and the pups check Chloe, her mom, and her friend Stephen to see what's wrong. We have a costume emergency, Chloe sighs. She explained that she made her own Halloween costume and hung it outside to dry, but the wind blew it away. I don't want to go trick-or-treating without my costume. Ooh. That is a dilemma. Stephen offers to share his costume, but Chloe says she wants to wear the one she made because it's flowy and it glows in the dark. Flowy and glowy. That does sound like a cool costume, Bingo says. Ooh, the cat. We're going on a special Halloween mission, Rolly tells Bingo. Let's collar up. Luckily, the pups' high-tech collars fit over their costumes. Mission: find Chloe's Halloween costume. The pups start their search. I can't wait to find Chloe's costume, Bingo says. Rolly stops, but she never said what she was going to be. That is a dilemma. Well, she said it was glowy and flowy, Bingo explained. So we'll look for something like that. Rolly finds something glowy, but not flowy. A jack-o'-lantern. He poses next to it. Look, I'm a Rolly-o-lantern. Over here, Bingo calls, as he spots something flowy, but not glowy. The monster. So, we are looking for something flowy and glowy, Rolly says. Just then, something flies by like that. Ooh, it's a ghost. Bingo and Rolly chase the costume until it gets caught in a tree. How are we going to get it down? Rolly wonders. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blows the costume out of the tree and toward the park. The park. The pups watch the costume floats over the park wall toward the far end of the park. Bingo and Rolly shout. Oh my, they look scared. Scaredy cat puppies. Ooh, there's a mysterious shadow. What's going to happen? The pups slowly walk into the park. As the sun sets, the park gets spookier and spookier. Owls hoot in the trees. Bats flutter in the sky. Suddenly they hear a scary sound. Rolly gulps. Is that the Howly ghost? But it's something even scarier. Gosh, what could be scarier? Oh, I don't know if I could turn the page. Ah! The cat got me. What are you doing? You scared me. It's an important part of the book. Cupcake, I'm looking for Rufus. Have you seen him? She asked. Nope. But we did hear the haunted howler, Rolly says. There's no haunted howler, she tells them. I made up the story to scare you. Glad it worked, she adds with a smirk. Then she leaves to find Rufus. Oh gosh. She told him a lie to scare him. Well, we still need to find Chloe's costume, Bingo says. let's go. But Rolly has had enough spooky surprises for the night. Don't worry, Bingo tells him. As long as we're together, there's nothing to be afraid of. Rolly takes a deep breath. Okay, let's do this. The pups continue walking through the park. Suddenly, Cupcake runs past them, screaming, "The haunted howler is real!" She looks real scared. The puppies turn to see a flowy, glowy creature running towards them. Arrgh. Wait a second, Rolly says. That looks like Chloe's costume. He marches up to the haunted howler and pulls the costume off. I ain't afraid of no ghost costume. Underneath the flowy, glowy costume is Rufus. Oh, Rufus, you silly dog, you. Just then, the pups hear kids calling, "Trick or treat!" We better get the costume back to Chloe fast, Bingo says. Rufus, will you give us a ride? Rufus nods and the puppies jump on his back. Rufus runs as fast as he can. They have almost made it to the Chloe's house when another gust of wind blows the costume out of the puppy's mouths. They watch it fly through the air, around a tree, and over the wall, where it lands on Chloe's porch, right where she left it. "My costume! It came back," she shouts. "We couldn't have done it without you, Rufus," Rolly says. "Hi, Paul." Ding dong! Bob answers the door. "Ooh, a cool robot and a spooky ghost." "Guess what, Mr. Bob? It's me," Chloe says. "My costume came back." Bingo and Rolly smile at their friend. Mission accomplished. Aww. So we got a robot, a ghost, and a mad scientist, and a pumpkin, and a skeleton. And I don't know, the cat has no costume, I guess. Maybe she could be Aristocat. And then we got another sticker sheet. Oh, stickers. Oh, yay. So many cool stickers. When the pups friend Chloe loses her Halloween costume, Bingo and Rolly face their fears to return it to her. So that's a review of what the book's about. And there's the back cover. It's an awesome one. Right. So happy Halloween. And this concludes our Halloween book series for Halloween 2020. Ooh. Have you started decorating? Of course, by the time you do this video, it's like posted on YouTube. I would hope you would, because by then it'd be like a week to Halloween. I hope you would have all your decorations out and your cute decor all balled up and your candy ready and your costume all ready. And if there is Halloween, or you know, you can dress up and stay home, have a movie night. It's all cool, right? It's all good. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Right? Ciao. And happy Halloween, Tyrion.